Welcome back. We have to discuss in this video the different kind of intervals. First, when we look to the real number line, we see sides to infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. So if we consider any number can be represented by a point on this line, we can say numbers like a and b belongs to the real number r, and they lies in the a here and b here. So and b, this interval can be considered not include a or b, just include all the numbers between a and b. And in this case we just represent this by open circle at a and open circle at b, and we write it as a as the lower bound and b is the upper bound, and x, which means x is greater than a and less than b. This is known as open interval. It's represented in number 1 here. And we can write this expression in different way by using brackets around the brackets like this at the end. As we use these brackets, that means a is not included and b is not included. I mean a and b are not included in the interval. Just the numbers between a and b are included in this interval. So this is not the first kind, which is the open interval. If we consider a is included and b is included, so we make different brackets for them to distinguish that from the first. Is greater than or equal a and smaller than or equal b. And in this case we make the circle at a is closed and the circle at b is closed also, to refer to the closed interval. Here is a and here is b, which is here in number 2. So in number 2 we said it's closed interval because it means all the numbers starting from a and ending with b, and all the numbers between them. Now let us look for the third kind, when only one of these two numbers are included in the interval and the other is not. If we make a is not included, so the bracket is round like this, and at b it will be like this. This means it's half bound closed or half bound open. And shortly we said like open from low or closed from up. This can be written like a is less than x and x is less than or equal b. and represented by the line here. At A is open circle, and at B is a closed circle, and all the lines or the numbers between them are included in this interval. So this interval includes all the numbers between A and B plus the number B. B also lies in this interval. That's why it's closed here, which is represented in number 3. So it's A, open at A, close at B. Close at B, we still use the square bracket. Let us see number 4. For number 4, here, number 4, we can see it's just closed at A from the beginning of the interval. At A it's closed. That's why we make a closed circle here, and open at B. So we refer it to open circle. And all the numbers between A and B are included in this interval, plus the number at A also included. And we represent that by making square brackets here at A and round the bracket at B. So this interval is opened from B, which is number 4. Number 4. When we have only just one term as a beginning of interval, and the other term is missed, like in number 5, we say in this case, instead of B, we consider the plus or positive infinity. That means it extends to the positive direction without end. This represented on, as you see, number 5 here, by circle at A, which means close at A, and in going in the direction, the positive direction of the real numbers line, in this direction, to positive infinity. You see just one number here is a bound for the interval. The interval includes all the numbers here. Include all the numbers plus A. And we write it like this. X is greater than or equal A. And we can write it by using the brackets, by saying close at A and at positive infinity is opened. The infinity is not number, it is just symbol to refer the extent of the line here. Also negative here. They are not number. Those are not number. Those are just symbols for extension. So this explained here in number 5, which is written as A, close at A, and positive infinity, it's opened. When it's not include A, but include all the numbers after A, so this will be open from both sides. Not include A and not include positive infinity. Just include all the numbers between them. In the opposite direction, when we say the interval started from negative infinity till A, so from negative infinity it's opened. As we said, it's not number, it's just symbol. A is included, that means it's closed at A. At A, and also it's open at negative infinity. So those are the 8 kind of intervals. You can write it like negative infinity to plus infinity. And it's opened from both side direction. From both sides from both directions. And refer to any number here by symbol X. These are the rules of intervals. Hopefully everything will be clear, and we will explain this by using some examples in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.